There are so many dash cams on the market, but it's important to know which are worth your purchase. In this video, we're going to break down the best dash cams on the market today. We'll be taking a look at dash cams in every budget range, so regardless of whether you've got a few bucks to spare and want the best value or are looking for the best of the best, we'll have an option for you. So, if you're interested in finding out which dash cam is best suited to you, keep watching. As always, all the links to all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description down below. We also update the description down below with links to find the best price on each product. So for the most up-to-date information along with updated prices, be sure to check out the description. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. First on our list is the Garmin Dash Cam 66W, our pick for a great overall dash cam. Not all dash cams offer the best video recording quality, which can be troublesome if you need to catch a license plate or other key details. The Garmin Dash Cam is a nice solution, offering QHD video recording quality plus some unexpectedly nice safety features not commonly found in many models. Priced under $225, it's a solid investment that is very easy to use and remarkably straightforward, making it a nice choice for your vehicle. This dash cam captures a 180-degree view, which is advantageous if an accident occurs. It records at 1440p, which is a definite step up from regular full HD 1080p dash cams. This grabs more detail during the recording process and makes it easier to spot details such as license plates and background elements like road signs, even at night. The Garmin auto records and saves via micro SD card. AutoSync lets you control and play back your saved footage via a smartphone app. There's even voice control for quickly snapping pictures, starting and stopping audio recording, or toggling recording. This gives an extra layer of distraction-free operation without the need to start pressing buttons while you're driving, which can be dangerous. One very nice feature of this dash cam is the built-in driver assist technology, which takes care of lane departure warnings, as well as forward collision warnings so you can keep track of your surroundings at all times. Very nice for those who don't have this tech already in their cars. The dashcam's voice functionality can sometimes get a little confused and activate by accident during conversations with passengers, which hinders the appeal of that function. It's a small caveat for such a feature-packed and competitively priced device, however. If you'd prefer a more straightforward dashcam, the AZDashcam GS Pro is a nice alternative which we'll touch on later in this video. Still, the Garmin has a lot to offer, including built-in safety features, great recording quality, and easy setup in your car. Next up is the Apeman C450, our choice for the best budget dashcam. Buying a dashcam on a limited budget means finding one that offers good recording quality to protect you if you're ever in an accident. The Apeman C450 is not only affordable for budget-conscious drivers at just under $50, it's also small and easy to install while offering decent recording quality to capture the details of a scene if something does occur. This 1080p dashcam records full HD quality video that can be replayed on a 3-inch LCD screen in seconds. With a viewing angle of 170 degrees, it's also great at capturing an ultra-wide field of view that may aid you if you're involved in an accident. Setting up the camera is easy and can be done in 3 minutes via adhesive and suction mounts that can easily stick to your windows and prevent any bulky clippings. The built-in G-sensor automatically detects an impact against your vehicle and locks the footage to prevent it from accidentally being overwritten, which is a definite must for parked hit-and-runs. The Apeman can even monitor your vehicle around the clock via an add-on hardware kit. Nighttime recording quality isn't as good as other dashcams on our list, such as the Garmin 66W, which reduces headlight glare so that you can make out details if an accident occurs. We recommend it if you're primarily a night driver. It's also not as durable as other dashcams on our list. The Apeman C450 is designed with budget in mind and offers a solid set of hardware and features for an entry-level dashcam priced under the $50 mark. It records good quality daytime video, which is nice for a budget dashcam, and is good for morning commutes and weekend driving. Up next, we have AZDashcam GS Pro, our pick for the best overall dashcam. A great dash cam is all about premium features, and that's important for peace of mind on the road. The AZDashcam GS Pro is a clear winner thanks to a powerful array of features, 4K recording capability, and unparalleled ease of use. It's one of the best dashcams we've ever reviewed, and suitable for any vehicle and driving situation thanks to a fantastic design. The AZDashcam GS Pro's main feature is its ability to record in 4K UHD with a 170-degree viewing angle. Not only does this capture an incredible field of view, but it does so with excellent visual clarity and quality, which is great for capturing license plates, drivers' faces, and surrounding details like road signs that are vital to proving your case. With a total pixel count of 6.2 million, the AZDashcam GS Pro is built for maximum detail even in low-light conditions. With so much versatility when it comes to recording, this dashcam eliminates the worry of having to deal with hit-and-run drivers, or those attempting to hold you liable for accidents that weren't your fault. The 2.4-inch LCD screen is very intuitive to use, allowing you to quickly cycle through recordings and isolate the content you need. It also features a 24-hour parking monitor to make sure that the camera captures anything nefarious that might happen to your car while you're away. It also includes built-in GPS, motion detection, and 64 GB of max external memory, which is great for recording in 4K. The AZDashcam GS Pro is the best overall dashcam on our list, thanks largely to its astonishingly detailed 4K recording and extra features that all work together to record incidents at full detail. It's difficult to find fault with such a well-thought-out dashcam design, and it offers extra peace of mind for motorists who want a great device to fall back on if an unfortunate accident occurs. If you're interested in updated pricing on any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. Prices update on these products almost daily with sales and general price drops, so if you want to find the most updated information, check the description. If you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving this video a like and tell us which product caught your eye in the comments below. Up next is the Vantrue N2 PRO, our choice for a great dashcam for rideshare drivers. Rideshare drivers need a reliable dashcam both for their personal safety and legal liability, and that means it should be subtle, high-performing, and able to record very detailed video in case of an unfortunate incident. If you're such a driver, you'll appreciate the Vantrue N2 PRO, a great interior and exterior dashcam priced under $200. This dashcam sports dual mode functionality that allows for simultaneous 1080p Full HD recording from the front and inside cameras, with a single front-facing 2K camera recording at 2560 by 1440. The ability to switch between these two modes offers a very nice layer of versatility lacking in many dashcams. If you want full HD recording quality that allows you to capture the goings-on inside your vehicle during a rideshare, this is a nice feature indeed. Otherwise, switch to front-facing QHD video recording if no one else is in your car and you want to capture the road in high detail. The N2 PRO has a field of view clocking in at 170 degrees for the front camera and 140 degrees for the rear interior camera. It's also rotatable for a little extra focus on particular subjects. The camera also includes infrared night vision technology that captures maximum detail in low light conditions, which is another added bonus for rideshare drivers. There's also a loop recording feature that overwrites the oldest footage with the newest when a card reaches full capacity, as well as G-sensor technology that detects an impact with your vehicle and immediately begins recording. This also guarantees that footage of an accident won't be overwritten. A 24-hour parking mode makes this even better, adding more peace of mind when you're away. The N2 PRO only offers QHD recording for the front camera, which is a slight disappointment for a double-lens dashcam. If you'd prefer 4K video, we'd recommend the AZDashcam GS Pro for better quality. However, this dashcam is still better suited for rideshare drivers and those who want to be able to record the interior of their vehicle as well as the road ahead in case anything happens. The Vantrue N2 PRO is a highly versatile device with great quality built into its very design, giving you an extra layer of personal security and vindication for any unfortunate situation. Finally, we have the Yi Smart Dash Cam, our pick for a great value per dollar dashcam. If you'd like to extend your dollar's worth for a dash cam with more bells and whistles than those commonly found on entry-level models, the Yi Smart Dash Cam might be the one for you. Its main draw is its enhanced recording resolutions, which are a slight step up from those most commonly associated with a budget-level dash cam. Priced under $50, it's a great value per dollar device that puts more money back in your pocket while giving plenty in return. This dashcam records not only in full HD 1080p, but 1296p as well. A 165-degree field of view captures a nice amount of width in every shot to make sure that important elements aren't missed. Its high-end video processor records video up to 60 frames per second for smooth, detailed playback, and the built-in H.264 recording ensures detailed video at small file sizes to maximize storage space. It even has an infrared filter to banish glare and infrared rays that can interfere with recordings. It also includes G-sensor technology to pick up any impacts against your vehicle and trigger recording immediately, which is very handy to have when you've walked away from your vehicle overnight or for a short period of time. This is an added bonus for those who don't already have this technology in their vehicle. The Yi Smart Dash Cam does include a driver assist function that monitors the distance of cars in front of you, as well as unsafe lane changes, but it's not quite as refined as other dash cams and tends to be too sensitive. Those who want a dash cam with this feature might prefer the Garmin Dash Cam 66W if they don't mind paying more money. As it stands, the Yi Smart Dash Cam stretches the dollar as far as it can go for a budget-level device, and that's thanks largely to a very good recording quality that is both detailed and bright, making it a great addition for your car. Alright guys, that is all for this video. Hope you guys liked the video. If you guys did, please go ahead and give it a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now, so if you want to know what the best gear out there is, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, hope everyone has a great day, and until next time, I will see you guys later.